Oh my gosh, every scene I did with Rob Brydon playing my dad, I was like fully laughing in most of the takes. He's an amazing comedic actor, he's an improviser, he will constantly do things slightly differently, he'll constantly mess with the script, and he just he had us all laughing and being very, very unprofessional while trying to get through quite serious scenes. You know what? Once I did to get out of an audition that I just really, really knew I wasn't going to get and was too scared. A moment of cowardice, if you will. What's weird about that is that the role is so different to anything that is even slightly historically accurate that I think almost everything surprised me about the role. I remember when I first got the audition through, I looked him up, the Wikipedia for the real Guilford Dudley, and there was just basically just an incredibly sort of stuffy Tudor portrait that looked absolutely nothing like me, and I was like, oh, okay, I think I'm on my own here. I'm gonna have to really project myself into this. So that's what I did.